Hello, my paper crafting family. Hope you have all been well. Welcome to Paper and Joy Halloween edition. So this is the card that we are going to be making. Now, you might notice I haven't finished this. I'm going to use this as my sample because I don't have a lot of this orange sticky stuff left, so to do the letters. So we have Happy Halloween on the front, some black cats down the side, and then inside a spider web. All right, so okay, a bit of dust. So this is the items that you'll get in your pack. I've included an orange envelope as well. If you, obviously Halloween cards aren't all that popular, but I thought, if you wanted to give it to someone, I'll give you an envelope. If you didn't, you could always just have this card, I thought maybe at your front door, maybe on a little stand or something, along with the craft that we'll be making for trick-or-treaters, just to say Happy Halloween to them. So you can stand it up, or if you want to just pop it in your house on a bench or buffet stand or shelf somewhere to decorate as part of your Halloween decorations. If you are so inclined, you can do that. So up to you what you decide to do with the card, but it's a fun card to make, so hopefully you enjoy that. Okay, so here we go. So you do get the card base, which has, can't see that. It's got a fold line down the centre. Don't fold that quite yet. We're going to do the lettering first. So you get your letters in a pack. So these are sticky letters that have been pre-cut. So you just need to pop them out of their little housing and then take off the sticky on the back. So I'm just going to move this out for a minute. I've also given you a little template card to help you place the letters. If you'd like to get creative and not have just this block arrangement, feel free. You can do, wiggles, whatever, diagonal, go for your life, whatever takes your fancy there. So if you are doing the block arrangement, just pop the template down against the fold line there. And I've also marked the centre, so do the centre pieces first, and then you can line up the others a bit better. Well, they sit sort of at the edges, but I always like to do the centre pieces first. Lay them out and then one by one pull off the little sticky back pieces. So I have 2 letters to go for happy, and I've got the Halloween done, so just grab my pieces. I popped in a little bag because sometimes they fall out like this pea has. So there we go, tiny little pea. Now kids, you might need a hand from an adult for this. It's a little bit fiddly. That one came off quite easily. I had some that took me a little while, but there we go. So it just has a backing piece, silver sparkle on the back, but pop it in your bin. And there we got our pea. Okay, so then you just hold the template in place and then place the pea. Oops, I'm going to do this. Okay, just hold that so that doesn't move, and then line up your pea top edge of the letter to the cut mark there. All right, so next letter, final one for this is the Y. Peel off the back. Okay, that will work too. And then again, holding the template just to make sure it doesn't move. There we go. So that just shows it's easier to, if you've got all the letters, to space it out a bit nicer. I've moved my peas a bit across. So there we go. Then we're done with the template. Okay, so there we go. Happy Halloween. So it's got like a bit of a holographic shimmer to it, which looks quite good. Okay, and then you have a centerpiece if you'd like to write on the card. I thought rather than black's a bit hard. So this is the center paper. So all you need to do with that is fold it in half, as I've done with this one. There we go. And then we're going, if you like, then on the right hand side, it will have a little border around the edge. Just lie it up against the center fold mark. And we're just going to glue on just one strip just down here. Okay, so grab your glue stick. Just a couple of goes to make sure I've got some, and then line it up nicely so that it's straight, and then close your card on it. There we go, and then push down on the edge. Just hold it for a sec. Okay. And so when you open the card, that's why you glue it on this side, it should then flick that open a bit. So that's going to take a little time to dry. I need to hold it a bit more. But yeah, so it will then pick up the card a little bit there. And then you can do your writing near the spider. And there we go. A Halloween card that you can use how you like. So I look forward to hearing your stories of where you've popped your card or if you've given it out. All right, enjoy that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.